Hello again, it's Master McCann with another Nunchuck video. I'm going to be doing 3 techniques for you today. So we're going to do a pass around the head, catching underneath. We're going to be coming off the hip here. And then we're also going to be over the top, catching underneath at this point, which will lead into this technique, which we did in one of the videos last week. Okay, so I'm going to go through each of these individually with an explanation. At the end of each technique, I want you to pause and spend a good 5 minutes practicing that one technique. So this should turn into about 20 minutes worth of Nunchuck time today. Technique, 5 minutes, technique, 5 minutes. The last 5 minutes you're going to be practicing these 3 techniques I'm going to run together in one routine for you. That's the plan anyway. Let's see how we get on. First technique, left leg forward, nunchucks in your right hand. Start off with them above your arm. We're striking to the head here, okay? So I want you to come straight out. This is the point. And then it's going to come all the way around the head and catch underneath. So watch again. Circle around, circle underneath, catch underneath. I'm going to turn around and demonstrate from the other way for you, just to try and give you an indication of where to point your thumb to make sure that this stick doesn't come over the top and get you on the head. So I'm left leg forward, nunchucks in my right hand, pointing where I'm going, strike, circle around, and it's thumb pointing down to catch here. Okay? Okay, I want us to pause there, and I want you to spend the next 5 minutes going through that technique. Okay? Good. Right, technique number 2. Left leg forward into side stance. Nunchucks again in your right hand. You can start off, just put your hand up out of the way. And all I want you to practice is bouncing it off your hip and flicking it up. Now look at my thumb. I've got my thumb pointing up the stick, and this is pointing up. So it's going to point up. Get your hand out of the way, point it up. Now, this hand out, palm up, thumb open. Come off the hip and it'll sit in the hand. Off the hip, into the hand here. If you don't point that thumb up, it's not coming into the hand. Thumb up, it goes straight where it's supposed to go. Okay? Application for that, nice and simple. You're here, you strike one, you come off the hip into the hand, get an extra strike. You don't need to change your stance for the distance. So again, you strike one, comes off the hip, back into the hand, strike again. Okay, spend 5 minutes on that technique for me. Okay, last one. So this time the left leg forward, I want you to have your nunchuck in your left hand. So we've just come across, done this strike. You're going to come across, and I want you to have your right hand, palm down, and it's going to come underneath here. This is where you're going to catch. So you can strike, catch here. Nothing wrong, you want to come off the hip and catch it here. It works just the same. But I think to start with, here's good. Just catch it with the hand here. And then step forward with your right leg into a reverse finger about. Watch again. Left hand, across your body, just catch it underneath. So you've got your hand, palm to the outside, thumb down. Comes across here. This is where you've got it. Release the left hand, it's going to come across into the forward figure of 8 in a reverse grip. If you're unsure what I'm talking about, go back to the video we did last week on grips and the figure of 8. Okay, practice that technique. Okay, let's finish off with that routine. So we've got 3 techniques to put into there. Start off, we'll be left leg forward, circle around the head. So circle, catch. Then I want you to step out, just do a strike with this hand here. You're going to step forward, right leg, come off the hip. Come straight over the top into here, step left leg forward, into the figure of 8. Watch again. So, above the right arm, circle, strike, step, off the hip, underneath, straight into the reverse grip, forward figure of 8. Enough for you to practice there. Spend a good 5 minutes on it. Again, pop your videos onto the channel, have a look. Make sure you're all having some fun. Stay safe, don't wreck anything. See you all soon.